Adrian Wolskut from Ceres is part of a world-class harvest. This brother just redefined what pace setting is. Elite men's pace setter at the Cape Town Marathon. He ran 35 Ks of the 42.2 in 1 hour, 44 minutes and 6 seconds. That's 2 minutes, 58 seconds per kilometer. Do you know how fast that is? He started in Sea Point, Green Point, Cape Town CBD, moving faster than a digital nomad, looking for a coffee shop and a Wi-Fi password. He went through Salt River, Woodstock and Mowbray, moving faster than Airbnbs popping up, gentrification taking place and students looking for food. Faster than a 60-60 and taxi driver going through a red robot in peak hour traffic. Who's gonna go first? You tell me. Then he moved through the suburbs, Rondebosch, Newlands, Claremont, Kenilworth, running faster than a private school parent going to speak to the manager because they gave him the wrong matcha order, a room temperature smoothie or full cream milk instead of oat, almond or soy. Then he ran through Weimar, getting rid of the negative offline home affairs energy. He had to stay online. Through Plumstead, he had to get rid of the judgy people from Plumstead who think they're better than us because they move there, but they're not. No one's quieter. We are all quiet. In Constantia, he had to deal with the locals because if they see a brother running there moving so fast, they must phone 10-111, the neighborhood watch, all private security. He's a champion, leave him alone. Then he said, 9:35 Ks in, leave me here to Kaya. I'm gonna go to Spotty Dog, meet my brother at Boulders, Buco, or at Jalma. I got some DIY to do. Adrian, you quiet me, bro. National records, 5 currently. New York City half marathon champion. Keep representing. Away!